Oriental. So, ayan, long time no see, no? Dahil puro retdem ang pinapakita ko sa inyo. Well, retdem ulit tong gagawin ko. And papakita ko sa inyo yung onting behind the scenes, no? So, ayan, ang gagawin ko ngayon is bed making. So, nandito ako sa first floor. Ayan, yung papag lang yung nilatag ko dyan. Dyan sa baba. Ayan. Ah, diba? May ring light pa dyan. So, ayan, samahan nyo ako kasi medyo madami akong activities na gagawin na mag-film pa din ako doon. Nabubulan na, no? Mag-film din ako sa PE video ko tomorrow and may quiz ako tomorrow. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung behind the scenes dito. Then, itutuloy ko tong vlog na to bukas. Or mamaya sa paggawa ko ng reviewer. So, ayan guys, medyo humaba na tong intro na to. So, without other further ado, let's get started.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountains on the hills got
tatlong plate na lang, tapos pillowcase, then tapos na tayo.
Types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple
so surgical sleep. So ayan, start na ako guys.
Arizona thunder tonight.
Hi guys! Tapos na ako mag-film ng bed making. Ayan. Ito na yung bed ko. Tulugan na! Charot lang, di pwede dahil may exam pa tayo tomorrow, no? So, ang gagawin ko muna is papahinga lang ako saglit. Tapos, check ko naman tong video na nandito. Titignan ko kung gumagana siya. Kasi, kaya ako niretake tong bed making din dahil nakorrupt ang aking file. Diba, pighati talaga dahil sobrang daming layers nito, sobrang daming sheets na ipapatong. So, dapat talaga, ayun. May trabaho talaga yun. Sorry kung Haggard vs. Dawson tayo like pawis and all. So, see you later guys. Mag-aayos lang muna ako. So, ayun guys. Ayan. Kakatapos ko lang maghilamos and nakapagpalit na rin ako ng damit, no? Gawin muna natin is magsi-skincare tayo. So, dito ko kayo ilalagay para naman nakita niyo yung view. Alam nyo, itong vlog na to, parang ano na din to, life update, no? Kasi napansin ko, puro retdem videos na lang din yung ina-upload ko sa YouTube ko. So, why not mag-share naman ako sa inyo ng life update and such. So, ayan.
Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
So, it's already 7:56 AM and wala pa rin po akong tulog. Ano? Wait lang, puti. Ayan guys, samahan niyo ako mag-quiz and sana maging maayos yung grades natin. So, ayan, ang allowed lang sa amin is calculator. Ito na ipapakita yung quiz namin dahil bawal siya ipakita sa inyo. So, ayan. Ito ko na lang kayo ilalagay sa gilid-gilid. Ayan na! Tagal ko chumika. Kung ano eh, kapag naglo-load ako ng quiz, nagaan na talaga siya, bumabagal siya. Bumabagal siya kapag yung first number na. So, ayan. Ayan. Diba? Kalki agad. Okay guys, tapos na ako mag-quiz and isasubmit ko na siya. Kinakabahan ako, pero G. Ayan! Ala! Thank you, Lord! taas ng ating score. Ayan. 19.5 out of 20. So, ayan. Sulit puyat mga mares. Hi guys! So, ayan, it's already 1:05 AM and pukatak sa inyo. July 11 na din. So, ayan, kalita nyo man sa screen, mag-google meet kami ni CJ para hindi ako antukin. So, mag-edit na ako ng ating pang ret din dahil mamaya naampasahan niya ng 11:59 PM. So, nagbago yung plano. Zoom na lang daw kami. Liwanag! Bago ang plano, mag-zoom na lang daw kami. Send na ng link ang aking dada. Pa-accept po. Pahula tayo ng sasabihin. Wait. Share screen siya mag-Spotify. Ganito ko muna yung mic. Ako rinig. Walaan mo sasabihin ko.
Wala akong marinig dito. Naglalaro na agad tayo.
Hulaan mo sasabihin ko.
Wala masyadong marinig.
Pabalik ko na nga. Wait lang. Hi again.
Hi.
Nagbablog ako. Alam mo title?
Ano?
Stressful days in my life. Charot ang feeling. So, mag-zoom na lang kami ni CJ habang gumagawa ako. So, update ko na lang ulit kay later. Mag-uusap lang din kami dito at mag-chichikahan kami. Mga live update, mga gano'n. So, yun lang guys. Ito ko na lang kayo lalagay. Yan. Ayaw.
From a glass screen. When the wall crashes down between the cracks, a reality is found. I hate the way we aim for such perfection, just so we get a little affection.
Good morning, guys! So, ayan, nandito ako sa 4th floor. And, ano oras na? Can you get my phone, baby? Oh, hi! Gising ni Bea, kaya sinamahan niya ako dito. So, it's already 5:33 AM. So, ayan, pasikat pa lang yung araw. Kung kita nyo man dyan. Ganda, diba? So, ayun, mag-shoot na ako for PE and mag-set up lang ako and magbibihis kasi nakapantulog pa ako. So, ayun guys, balikan ko kayo later kapag naka-set up ako.
But we ain't flawless, to be honest.
Hi guys! Nakatapos ko lang mag-workout. Gumawa nun sa PE yan. May para tayo. Magbe-breakfast muna ako, tapos ligo din. Tsaka ako mag-edit. Bigay ko na ulit kayo later. Okay? It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning and ngayon nag-i-import na ako ng files ko na ginawa doon sa ating PE and ayan, nakapag-skincare na din ako. Tapos ayun guys, mag-e-edit na muna ako. Then, plan ko, mag-aaral muna ako later kasi may midterms kami bukas. So, parang recall na lang din yung mangyayari since parang every meeting may quiz. So, parang naaaral ko na din siya. So, parang ang tendency, magre-recall na lang ako. So, see you later.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirloom.
Kakagising ko lang, guys. Tapos namatay yung laptop. So, ngayon pa lang ako mag-upload ng sa coordination na video natin. So, ayan, ina-upload ko na siya. Ayan. So, ayan, antay-antay lang na tayo. Buti na lang mga 7:40 pa lang. So, ayan, tulog pa more, diba? So, ayan, antayin lang muna natin.
We couldn't contain thoughts that we had were made. There really no one to blame. I should have came and blame. I trust you, but I was raised. If I could, I'd call you, I'd tell you I need you. I wouldn't know what else to say, but who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us
Hi
in our dreams.
guys! Sobrang init na! Mag-ano na, 8 o'clock na, and ngayon lang ako natapos mag-aya. Ito yung outfit ko for yoga, ayan. Love it 3,000, tapos naka-leggings din, nakapaalang kami din. And ayan, meron ulit tayong ganito. So, nag-braid ako. Kasi yun sa last time, ang dugyot ng outfit natin. Ayan, medyo maaraw na, pero sana maganda naman ang kalabasan niya. Ating video. Sana umabot tayo sa deadline. So, ayan lang guys. I'm gonna start na in 3, 2, 1.
Waiting for you, baby, I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me.
Update, tapos na ako sa yoga. So, dito ako nag-yoga, yan. Tapos, meron lang tayong plancha. So, ayan, natapos ko na siya. And yung next naman na i-film ko is yung para sa agility namin. By the way, time check, it's already 8:18 in the morning. Ayan, papalitan ako ng damit for agility. Tapos, ayun na, isa-set up ko lang din kasi meron dun kailangan 12 inches in number loose. So, ayan. See you later, guys. So, ayan, nakapapalit ako ng damit. Ayan, nagpalit ako ng black shirt. Tapos, shorties. So, ayan, mag-shoot na ako nito. So, panoorin. So, panoorin nyo na ako.
Dreams, I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Update lang, it's already 7:25 PM and ngayon ko palang isusulat yung NCP ko. By the way, yung date na natin is July 15, 2021. Pag na tayo, no? Pero yun, ngayon ko pala yung isusulat yung NCP ko kasi handwritten siya, kailangan. So, magsusulat lang muna ako dito pero ayusin ko muna yun kasi ang kalat, sis. So, wala pa din ako nasushoot sa Zumba tsaka sa Speedstocks. Pero inaantay ko pa yung cup ng Speedstocks kasi nahiram ako kay CJ. So, pina-Mr. Speedy namin ngayon. So, mamaya dadating na siya. And guys, update ko na lang ulit kayo. Laters!
Write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. I can't believe I got to just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want.
Hello guys! What a nice evening to all of you! So nag-shoot na ako nung para sa PE ko. PE1, PE2. Ayan, dito ako tatawag yung iba. Ayan! Last activity na ako yun sa speed. And ayan, tingnan nyo ulit. Kakatapos ko lang sa Zumba kanina. Ayan, medyo pawis pa tayo. Sa outfit ko kanina.
You just have a clue. All the shit you put me through. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer.
Tapos na tayo mag-video sa PE guys. Then, bababa na ako kasi i-edit ko pa siya, no? Hindi ko alam yung mga time pero past 1 na. So, ayan. Narinig nyo ba? Lakas na ng ulan! Pero sorry, ito ang ating haggard face. Wala naman tayong itlog nito. Ay! Mami! Nakita nyo ba yun? Pumasok na ako.
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes, I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today, I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to